steps are over there. There we go. Well, this one? Over there.
It's pretty as hell. Okay. Just beautiful. Beautiful scenery. Sorry for no uploads lately, guys. It's Exploring with Dakota here, though. Sorry, I had to give you a really sweet intro there. Really love that. Beautiful, I find beauty in nature. Drop a like for today's video. Subscribe if you're new. Been into this exploring stuff, abandoned stuff, and haunted locations. Going out to check this waterfall out. Yeah, it's really cool. Bringing you guys another video. It's been quite a while since I've done one. These stairs here, damn, I don't know which way I should go. Guess it probably don't matter. It probably leads the same way. Coming up the hill more. Look at that. That's cool. Go to the waterfall in a minute. I just want to take you guys to this little shelter here. This is the American flag. This is where I live in my state here in Illinois. I can tell you what part, of course. Making a video for my exploration channel. Yeah, very nice in here. Oh, I've never been in a shelter like this that's got lights. It's really cool. You guys know I take a lot of beauty in this. Have you guys liked my videos of in Kentucky on our property? Just awesome. I love it. Oh yeah, this is sweet. I love this setup here. Let's just give you a cool little look back in here. Dude, this shit's cool as hell. I like this setup. Yeah, I'm coming. I know, it was really clear down there in the one area.
Yeah, it's pretty clear. One of it's actually drinking. It's probably not drinking.
Oh man, look at that, guys. That's beautiful. There's where I was just at down there. Try to get a little more of a close-up here. Look at that. See, I'm gonna come back down over here this way. Yep, so down there's where I just started at earlier. So beautiful, man. Give you guys an overlook of that, man. It's so awesome. We were just over that way, hanging around, screwing around, having fun. My brother's birthday today. Enjoying ourselves today. Really good one out, nice out, not too bad. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoying today's video. Really sorry I haven't had no content lately. But it's all good. At least I'm bringing you something. Drop a like, comment, share, subscribe if you're new. Keep this going here. Oh, I didn't even see that. That's cool.
Yeah, that's where you used to be able to walk up that. You used to
nice.
Walk right by the waterfall. Look, right here you can see it.
Wow, that's cool.
There's all the old stairs and everything, but they probably just got too worn out with all the
Oh,
water.
wow, yeah, you can. That's cool. Oh, that is awesome, dude. What a view. Here's a good view right here of this. Dude, I can sit and fall asleep in that.
Oh, this is actually good.
Yeah, it's not bad, man. Not bad. Like I told you guys, one of my last videos, I live in Illinois. I told Jane to tell you what part. There's nothing really worth looking at in Illinois. I mean, fairly honest. But yeah, pretty cool though. This is a really beautiful area. Illinois got a beautiful park. I'll give it that. But I mean, that'll be all for today's video. You guys, drop a like, subscribe if you're new. This is my brother Tanner here. He put We're Gamers and shit, you know. Show him some love on Instagram. I'll have him send me the link. Follow him. He's got like, how many followers? He's got like 1,700 followers. Go help him out. Verify him and like his content. Otherwise, enjoy this video. See you guys in the next one.